For 2020, Chennai has received a good amount of rainfall until so far, and for this Diwali season, Chennai did see a good amount of rain in the past couple of days. But this has also triggered a kind of fear based on certain messages that has gone viral both in WhatsApp and various other social media platforms. Now, those messages claim that because of these, this rain in the past couple of days, there are high chances of a flood just like in 2015, and this has caused a serious amount of panic for Chennaiites. But the actual effect seems to be entirely different, as authorities claim there are very less chance of a 2015 kind of rainfall. Now, if you go back to 2015, almost the entire part of southern Tamil Nadu was submerged, at least from 1 feet of water to a maximum of 6 feet of water, and there are various reasons that's been given. For example, the state government at that point said that it was a historic rainfall which was not seen for at least 100 years. But however, experts claim that that rainfall, the 2015 rainfall, was much significantly lesser than what Chennai faced in 2005, and there was certain amount of miscalculation in maintaining the water bodies and releasing water that led to that kind of situation. But however, the state government has completely negated that and claimed that only because of that historic rainfall such an issue occurred. In fact, we are standing currently at Chembarambakkam Lake. This lake is allegedly considered as the culprit behind 2015 rainfall. In fact, this lake has a good amount of capacity. For instance, the Chembarambakkam Lake's full capacity is 3,645 MC feet, that is metric cubic feet, of which currently only 2,889 feet is full. But the kind of development in this part here is that the authorities state that behind me you could see that kind of a measurement. That measurement shows the feet of amount of water currently in this lake, and that is up to 21 feet currently. Authorities suggest that only after it crosses over 22 feet of the maximum capacity of 24 feet, there are chances of water to be released from this lake, and until then no one has to worry. And even to cross that limit, this nearly at least 76 hours of good rainfall is required. Only then that mark will cross. And now authorities very clearly mention that after learning from 2015 floods, various amount of precautions have also been taken to make sure that that kind of situation ever comes back again. But currently you could see behind us this, for now the prediction of rainfall for Chennai is that starting now the rainfall is only expected to decrease, and water bodies are being maintained well. That's how the authorities are trying to say. So we are currently at Chembarambakkam Lake. The maximum level currently is 21 feet. Once it crosses 22 feet, there are chances of water to be released, but currently nothing's happening so far, and the maximum capacity is 24 feet. And the authorities claim that even now the water body, this lake can store up to 30% more, which has not yet been reached, and that's the reason the decisions have not been taken. However, authorities also very clearly mention that the situation is being constantly monitored, and they are requesting the public not to fall for any fake news. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav,